How to add or remove a static route on Windows. Static routes let you manually control network paths and offer consistent routing over dynamic methods, which are especially useful for VPNs and performance optimization. Let's talk about how you can manage them with the built-in route command on Windows. Before we begin, subscribe to NinjaOne's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Static routes and network traffic. A static route is a manually configured rule that directs network traffic along a fixed path. Static routes stay the same unless modified, whereas dynamic routes adapt to changing conditions. They can be useful when you need to send traffic through a secure VPN, you want to optimize performance by avoiding unreliable conditions, and you require consistent routing for management. In Windows, you can manage static routes using the built-in route command. Here's how it works. Adding, removing, and managing static routes. To manage static routes on Windows, use the route command in Command Prompt or PowerShell. First, run it as an administrator by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Terminal, Admin on Windows 11, Command Prompt, Admin on Windows 10. To see existing static routes, enter the route print command. This displays your device's routing table, listing both dynamic and static routes. To add a default route, here, route add adds the static route. 0.00.00 is the destination network. Mask 0.0.0.0 applies it to all subnets, and 192.168.77.1 is the gateway where traffic is sent. Use route delete to remove a specific static route. To delete all static routes, use route -F. For persistent routes that survive reboots, add the -P flag when using route add. Managing static routes manually can get complex. To stay organized, document routes, clean up outdated entries, and use network tools for easier management. Managing large networks. Understanding static routes is key to securing traffic and controlling data flow. The route command is essential for troubleshooting and fine-tuning your setup. In larger networks, setting routes at the network level boosts efficiency. NinjaOne helps automate these configurations. For more information, check our official blog post on managing static routes linked in the description below.